Got some oil skin, bruv. Hello and welcome to FAQ Tube for Vader, day 8, and we are still going strong. So today I want to talk about something that is a little bit less technical, but something that I think is as equally valuable as any SEO hack or strategy concept. So in my audience, I have a lot of small YouTubers. I am a small YouTuber myself, despite having experience working on much larger channels that get massive amounts of views. And the problem can be when you're small is wanting to have success really quick, wanting to have growth really fast. And the problem can be is the comparison problem, and that is when you're constantly looking at your idols, looking at bigger YouTubers, even your friends that have started out before you and have got better success, and you're looking at them and saying, why don't I have that success? What's wrong with my channel? What am I doing wrong that I'm not growing that fast? And what you need to remember is that everyone's journey is different. And most importantly, especially when you're looking at the bigger channels and your heroes of YouTube, is that you're comparing the start of your journey with someone who's at the middle or almost close to the end of their journey. And that just doesn't help anyone. You're not comparing apples and apples and oranges for oranges. You're comparing two separate things. This is why instead you're better off surrounding yourself with people that are working on a similar level to you and using them as benchmarks. Look at other small YouTubers groups, communities for small YouTubers, see what they're doing, see the progress that they're making. But even that can be dangerous, because if you're comparing people that are doing totally different videos, that are doing totally different marketing strategies, people that are uploading daily versus you if you're only uploading monthly. Generally, comparison can be a very dangerous game. But the number one thing that I would suggest is comparison, but comparing your progress to where you've gone before. Compare how you're doing now to how you did last week, to how you did last month, to how you did last year. Are you doing better than you were previously? Are you learning? Are you growing? Are you trying new things? In order to be able to compare, you need to be able to know where you've been and what you've done. So check out my video here on how to benchmark your analytics and audit your YouTube channel to see how you've done previously. Without knowing that, you won't know how you're doing in comparison. So what I really want to get back to, and what I implore you to take away from today's video, is not to compare your beginning with someone else's middle. It's just not helpful, and it's not going to make you grow any faster. If anything, it's going to hurt you, it's going to hurt your confidence, it's going to bring you and slow you right down. Instead, let's get proactive. Let's join forces with people of a similar size on a similar journey and push each other forward. If you'd like me to help push you forward, then get involved in the comments below. Let me know what you're working on. I'll be happy to have a look. Don't forget to support me back, and also subscribe here so you never miss any more of these growth and mindset tips. If you'd like to see the other videos I'm uploading this month for Vader, then check out the playlist here. See you soon.